In the 1940s, the Nazis were bombing London frequently. It was a terrible time.
The story of Sealand.
Sebagai kaisa interesting knowledge meditu tika wngkha Sealand. Sealand wngkha tabok jotoni slai chikin-kuk country eba Desh. August kali 1970 Alexander Muli Koksa Sakno Sealand Prime Minister ini sampai rumah bayi. Its import raft eba raft warno country ini declare raja. Sealand ini waro namanya wngkha jam passports coins karena Sealand dollar di Sealandic anthems belonging to the population of 47%. Okay. September kali 2 tarik 1976 formation Jakarta area wngkha 4,000 m square only in English and English. Bagai jalai ke interesting knowledge na bai monorong bagai ketal-ketal ikon kotor kolok bara